Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Honor 200 Pro comes with USB cable in the box. Here you can see my Honor 200 Pro box. Let's lift the lid to see what's inside. The first thing we see is the phone. Let's take it out, and this is a tray on which the phone lays, and here is a box with accessories. This is a SIM card tray opener, and let's take out the accessories. You can see now it's empty, and now that it's empty, let's see what's in there. A quick start guide and information about protecting the minors from using these device. Okay, a warranty card and the USB cable I've been talking about. This is USB-C on both ends, 6 amperes, and that's all about that cable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.